Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, I am bringing you some after dark cleaning motivation. We are going to tackle this laundry room and get it nice and decluttered and tidy so it's more functional for me. I'm also going to be doing a full load, so wash, dry, and fold. If you're interested, subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. So as always, when I am decluttering a space, I just like to take everything out, wipe everything down, and then put everything back. As I was taking everything out, I was just checking each of the bottles and got rid of anything that was empty. Surprisingly, some were. And then I also set aside things that had like 3 or 4 sprays left in it so that I can use it throughout the week while I was tidying the kitchen or other areas of my apartment. Now that the surfaces are clear and the floor is swept, I am going to just put the trash can back. I started to mop, but I didn't feel like it. Honestly, it was going on 11:30 at night at this point. And the shelf that you saw me put in is from Target. I think it was $10, but don't quote me on that. I will link it below. I needed some more storage in here. I wish it was taller. The narrowness of it is perfect, but I definitely wish it was taller to maximize the space. But you guys know I don't want to put any shelves because I'm renting here and I just don't want to be bothered with filling any holes or anything like that. So we're just going to use this for now, and I think it's super cute. I am going to switch it around here. You see, it just opens it up, and it's more practical to have the trash can closer to the door because I can just easily open the trash can and I don't have to reach over the shelf. So now I am doing something very controversial. I am not transferring my laundry detergent or any of my laundry products into separate canisters. I definitely love the look of having all of your things in these clear containers and these dispensers. I mean, I think it looks amazing. And when I have my house and my real laundry room manifesting, I am definitely going to hop on that bandwagon. But for now, this works for me. And I do a load after this, and it is completely fine and practical and functional. Now we are going to do a load of laundry. This is a full load of my boys' clothes. It is the start of a week, so I needed to make sure that all their clothes were washed and dried and folded. So that's what we're going to do here. I am so sorry that my process is not aesthetic and not very TikTok, Pinterest-esque, but it was almost midnight and I needed to get my laundry done. And like I said, I will probably be more inclined to have a more aesthetic setup and process once I have my beautiful, again, manifesting, laundry room in my beautiful house. now that the clothes are nice and dry, we're just going to fold everything. I start out by separating them by type, so all the shorts go together, all the shirts go together, pajamas and underwear go together, that sort of thing, and then go in and fold it. All done. The boys' clothes are nice and folded and ready for the week ahead. And of course, I took the laundry room from looking like this, just super chaotic and unorganized and cluttered, to looking like this. I can actually use the top of the dryer to do things. I am loving this little cart to store all of my toilet paper and paper towels and other items. I also added this little basket on top of the dryer to put my dirty cleaning cloths, because before I was just throwing them on the floor, and we can't have that, can we? Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching this entire video. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.